Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new and if you haven't subscribed on my channel, go ahead and subscribe and click the bell notification so you will be notified every time I upload a new video. So today we're gonna cook hoisin tofu with stir fry vegetables. I know you're tired seeing tofu in my dishes, but for now this is the only protein on meat that I can use on my dishes. So let's start to put 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a large skillet. Heat over skillet over medium high heat, and add the garlic and ginger. Cook and stir for about 30 seconds or until golden brown. Stir in tofu, bok choy, snow peas, mushrooms. Cook and stir for 4 to 5 minutes or more until vegetables are tender. Add 1 cup julienne carrots. Mix it well and squeeze with lime juice and add the 3 tablespoons of hoisin sauce. Mix well and cook for another 5 minutes. Once it's cooked, turn off the heat and serve the vegetable mixture over hot cooked rice. And there's my hoisin tofu with stir-fry vegetables. I hope you enjoy this video and enjoy cooking.